Now it's my turn to take you a visit in the XCMG Automotive division. Founded in 2015, XCMG Automotive division has been through a very quick development, which makes XCMG a leader in the truck industry. This factory represents the most high-end truck manufacturing techniques in the world. Here, we are at the stamping section of the production line. As is known to all, the stamping techniques determine the quality of one truck. XCMG has invested more than 1 billion RMB only in this section. Here we have 14,000 square meters with all the production line fully enclosed. What's more, all the production lines are automatically transferred without any of the manual operations. We have 2,400 pressing machine and 3 1,000 pressing machines. All the workpieces are transferred by German KUKA robots with a speed up to 8 units per minute. Okay, hope you can enjoy the next visit. Thanks.